It doesn't matter how big or small your space is, but it really matters how much love you give to your space to make it beautiful. Namaste, welcome to Home #Life, and in today's video I'm going to share how I have decorated and organized our master bathroom. Also, I will show you in this small bathroom how I have maximized the storage space to make it functional for our day-to-day life. I really hope you have seen the huge transformation of this bathroom and interior design tips in these two videos which I have already shared. If you missed those videos, find the link in the description box below or in the I button. Let's start the tour, decoration, organization of our master bathroom. We selected this light to hang on the top of the mirror. It has a brass finish with white light base. Price was very reasonable, around 1200 rupees. Then here is the mirror, very simple and a perfect fit for the space. After that, here is the wash basin. I kept a very minimal decor, just one artificial plant to make the space more lively, along with one hand soap dispenser. Hope you have seen this towel holder in our previous video. It is very convenient for our daily use. You know how bathrooms can be smelly in spite of the regular cleaning, especially those of us using STP water. This aroma oil burner is an inexpensive way to cut down all those nasty odor and can make your bathroom smell good. Let's move on to the bathroom storage section. In this tall cabinet on the upper shelf, we store our regular towels, one set in use and another we kept here. Down here, hand towels and washcloths. All hand towels are kept here and ready to use. This small one for my daughter, I hang it from here for her easy access. In this basket, I kept all face towels for me. If you have checked this video, my skincare routine video, then you already know how I use them. Coming down, this shelf is my hair care and makeup storage shelf. Right now I am running out of makeup, so this clear container holds most of my occasionally used makeup in it, like eyeshadow, blush, concealer, etc. Behind this container you can see all my weekly used hair care products are there. In this plastic drawer organizer, on the top drawer, I kept random stuff like extra makeup and a big clock clip. Down here, cotton pads and earbuds. In the next drawer, hair pins and clips in these two cute boxes. Here two bins are there, one to hold my sanitary products and another one to hold travel items. In this box I keep few miscellaneous items, and in this handled basket I used to keep all my daughter's bath toys. This basket helps to let the water go completely and dry these toys fast. This white bin holds all my husband's shaving essentials. As I mentioned earlier, this basket holds all our travel essentials, sample pieces, and these two bins I got from IKEA. I will explain more about them in next video. An organized and functional home helps to have an organized life to be more productive. Don't forget to let me know about your say in the comment section below. Let's open the right side cabinet. This cabinet holds all the cleaning supplies which I require for daily cleaning or to deep clean the bathroom. In this drawer, I keep all these combs and hair brushes in this basket so hairs will not mess up the drawer easily. Also, as I use hair straightener, it also has been kept in this drawer because plug point is near this drawer. Organization should always be functional, and here's the example for you. Also, I kept one heat protection spray in this drawer and one hair dryer in this bag because I use it occasionally, so it will help to keep the drawer neat and clean. Now let's move on to the right side of the bathroom. Here I will show how I have decorated this small space. On this rack, I kept all the decor items to decorate this small bathroom. I really love this white shelf with this decorative wall brackets. These little birdies, I repurposed them as their jars has been broken. They have added a special touch in this small space. I DIY'd this motivational quote to charge me in the morning once I entered into the bathroom. This mirror with stand I use after doing my hair to see how that turned out and whatnot. Again, I bought it from IKEA. Beside that, I kept one watering can with some artificial creeper plant, and this painting really holds the space nicely. Down there, it's toilet seat area. In the corner you can see the toilet cleaning brush, and here one pedestal bin for the dust collection. Here I always keep one rug or mat to soak the water from the bath area, and here you can see our laundry baskets. Above the laundry baskets I had this wall space where I have kept one frame and wrote a motivational quote. This frame I got from IKEA. Now moving on to the shower area. This shower curtain I got online. If you wish, you can check description box for the product link. So here is our teeny tiny bath area. Although this bathroom is quite small, but with our proper planning, this is one of our most organized and functional room in our home. Here all the bath essentials for an Indian bathroom have been kept, like bath stool, bucket, mug, etc. Above that are hand shower, tap and geyser. Here in this corner I have kept daily used shampoo, oil, conditioner. Down there is another corner shelf to hold our soaps. Again, if you wish to see the product, link has been shared in the description box below. Here I kept the daily used wiper. On this towel rack we keep all our everyday use bath towels. Behind it, one laundry bag to hold our innerwears and daily used clothes. Now it's time to give you a complete master bathroom tour.
Open eye, Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Make sure to leave a big thumbs up for this video. Also share this video and subscribe to Home #Life by Jaya for more videos. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.